All right, guys, 2023 Godzilla F350, massive truck. He bought it from the dealer, brought it right to us. It's only got 300 miles on it. My kind of guy. Look at this thing. It is absolute beast of a truck, you guys. You guys gotta admit, they're beautiful. Huge truck. So what we got done on it? Factory converter. Wise into a resonator. We always keep these resonators on so it does not drone inside. But if you don't care about drone, then take this one off. But if you do, leave it on because it's dual in, single out. Then there was another baby resonator there. We took it off, around 3-inch pipe in its place. 3-inch pipe right there. There was a baby resonator. We took it off. There was a huge muffler here. We took it off and replaced it with a Flowmaster Super 50. Part number 853057. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 3-inch pipe to continue because the muffler is massive on these things. We'll show it to you guys in a second. Left the 3.5-inch tailpipe, left the red baby resonator there. Then he wanted a custom tip, so we cut off the tip that was on it and ran him a 3-inch pipe into a side exit black tip. Came out absolutely amazing. I love it. There'll be a link for that too. All right, guys, in the comments. And there's the muffler that was on it. There's a resonator that was on it. We cut all that off. And that's the original tailpipe that was on it that we cut off also. And replaced all of it. So it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Showed you guys round one. It was way too quiet after we did the Flowmaster Super 50. So this is round two. What we did, you know, the factory converter there and there. Factory Y. Well, actually, not factory Y. We took the resonator off that was there and put a Y pipe in its place to give it a little bit more sound so you can actually hear the Flowmaster Super 50. So now all it's got on it is the Flowmaster Super 50. 3-inch pipe all the way around, as you guys can see. And then there's the resonator there. It's still got the 3.5-inch tailpipe. Still got everything else the same. Out the back right there with the side exit tailpipe tips right there. So we'll let you guys hear it now with just a Flowmaster Super 50. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And there's the resonator, the second resonator that we took off right there. It comes dual in, single out right there. So we took it out. So that's everything we took out. That's the resonator. Then it connects to this pipe, then the baby resonator, and then the big muffler right there. And that's where the tailpipe was right there. We took all this off, gave it about 75 pounds worth of less weight. Did liposuction on it. So that's what it looks like after. Or you need louder? Drive it first. Drive it for a couple, at least like take it down the road and see if it's still too quiet inside for you. We might have to take that front one off. It's got a deeper tone. Yeah. Here's sound decibels, guys. Again, right at 101. All right, drive it back. Back it up. Looks good. right, guys, we'll let you hear it on the inside. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, much better. Here's sound decibels. 101. Much better. It's still got a rev limiter on it too, guys. Go ahead and back it out. Can hear the idle on it now. Yeah, it's got a pop to it now. Finally. What do you guys think? Should I get round A or B? You guys tell me in the comments, okay? Let you guys hear on the inside. .350 Super Duty. So still got the stock resonator, the dual in single out, Super 50, and then a quad tip or a dual tip out the back, side exit. It's still too quiet. F350 wide pipe. All it's got is a Flowmaster Super 50 on it. We cut everything else off. It didn't have enough tone before, so we had to get that done. Oh yeah, much better. Enjoy, guys.